Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in the Jamaican language. Make sure you follow our YouTube page for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the news. The police reported them find one gun after gunman bust some shot after them yesterday in a Bubble Hill, St. Andrew. According to the police report, around 3:50 p.m., them been in the area when them see two men at Aquan Way. When the man them see the police, them start bust some shot and the police bust back shot too. The man them get away, but them drop one .45 semi-automatic gun and 5 bullets. The police said none of them officers never get shot. One old man get lit down and dead on the Sandy Bay main road in a Clarendon. Dead a 74-year-old Abraham Campbell who come from Sandy Bay, Clarendon. According to report, Campbell walk in front of one Toyota Probox car and get licked. Him drop in at the part of one truck, Wabena come in at the next direction and the truck lick him too. The driver for the Probox never tap. One policeman dropped down and dead yesterday. Dead a Michael Brown, who was one police inspector. According to the police report, Mr. Brown been a work at the Hanover police station when him dropped down. Them rushed him go hospital where doctor say him dead. The Center for Disease Control, CDC, where they in America, I tell them people so them not for travel come to Jamaica. The CDC said Jamaica the level 4 with the coronavirus, and this means that the virus are spread quick in the country. On top of that, the CDC said the country have days when nobody can move for tap the virus from spread, so them a tell none of them citizens for not come here. Now for liquor sports. The Jamaica Talawas beat St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots by 22 runs in the Caribbean Premier League where going at Warner Park yesterday. The Patriots then win the toss and put in the Talawas to bat. The Talawas make 169 runs and lose 8 wickets in them 20 overs. The Patriots get bowled out for 147 runs. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.